Most people use an AI coding assistant like a single genius, one model, doing one thing at a time while you wait. But the developers getting the most out of these tools stopped doing that. They run a team. One AI writes the code. A second one, that never saw the first one's reasoning, gets a single job, prove the first one wrong. On camera, in this video, I type one instruction, and you'll watch that reviewer hammer the fix with over 36 million tests before anyone is allowed to say the word done. This is the jump from using AI to directing it. First, why a team beats a lone genius. It comes down to one uncomfortable fact about these models. They are bad at grading their own homework. An AI that just wrote a function is primed to believe it's correct. The same reasoning that produced the bug will happily wave it through. But a fresh agent, one that never saw that reasoning, comes in cold and skeptical. That's not a trick. It's the same reason human teams do code review. A second set of eyes that isn't invested in the first answer. In Claude Code, those extra sets of eyes are called subagents. When you ask for something big, Claude can spin up helpers, each in its own clean context window, each with its own job. The key phrase is clean context. The reviewer doesn't inherit the coder's assumptions. It sees the code, not the story the coder told itself about the code. That isolation is the whole point, and you don't micromanage them. You describe the outcome, and the main agent delegates. Let's make it real. Here's a small project with a broken function. It splits a restaurant bill between friends. And this repo has house rules, 3 of them. The shares must add up to the exact total, to the cent. Nobody pays more than their personal budget, and the split stays even among everyone who isn't capped. The current code fails all 3, it just divides and drops the leftover cents, so money quietly vanishes and budgets get ignored. I give Claude Code one instruction, fix split bills so it follows the house rules, and have a separate agent verify the fix independently before you tell me it's done. Then I get out of the way. Watch what happens. The main agent reads the code, thinks for 2 full minutes, and rewrites the function with an algorithm called water filling. Everyone pays an even share. Anyone whose share would blow their budget pays their limit instead, and the shortfall spreads over whoever is left. It runs the tests. They pass. And here's the moment that matters. Instead of declaring victory, it launches a verifier subagent, a second Claude with a fresh context, and deliberately refuses to explain its own fix, so the reviewer has to judge the code cold. The verifier writes its own test harness. It builds a mathematical oracle for what a fair split even means. Then it fires over 36 million test cases at the fix. 0 violations. Only then does the answer come back, done, and independently verified. I typed one instruction. You can push this further. Claude Code can run agents in parallel, not just one after another. Give it a big refactor, and it can fan the work across several agents at once, each on a different file, then bring the results back together. There's even an experimental agent teams mode, where a lead session coordinates a team of agents you can hand work to. The mental model shifts. You stop thinking one prompt, one answer, and start thinking like a tech lead assigning work. One real problem when agents work in parallel, they trip over each other, editing the same files at the same time. The fix, built right into the tool, is borrowed from how human teams already work. You have each agent run in its own Git worktree. Each agent gets its own private copy of the repository, its own branch, its own sandbox. They can all work at full speed without colliding, and you review and merge their branches the way you'd merge a colleague's. Isolation again, the theme of the whole episode. Now the honest part, because more agents is not always better. A team has overhead, spinning up sub-agents costs time and tokens, and for a one-line change, it's pure waste. The rule of thumb, go solo for small, well-defined edits. Bring in the team when the work is big enough to split, or important enough to double-check, a refactor across many files, a security-sensitive change, anything where a second independent opinion is worth the cost. You're not always the tech lead. Sometimes you just write the line yourself. But when it matters, this is the unlock, an AI that has to convince a fresh, skeptical reviewer, not just itself, before it gets to say done. That's episode 2 of the masterclass. Everything you watched was one real session, nothing staged. Next episode, teaching Claude Code new skills it keeps forever. And if you want to understand why fresh context makes an AI more honest, the mechanism is in our full free course on the channel, lesson by lesson. Subscribe and go build your team.